Well, it's time to stir things up, literally.
All right, in the latest issue of Midwest Living, which is a publication by our parent company, the Meredith Corporation, there's an interesting recipe for lemonade. This one is called Sparkling Vanilla Lemonade.
That's right. So we're going to make this from scratch. We're going to give it a try, right?
All right, so we need a pitcher, three-quarter cup of simple syrup. Now, it actually tells you how to make your own simple syrup in here, but our producer has been very kind to get us the simple syrup already. So, three-quarters cup of simple syrup.
So vanilla lemon. This looks very refreshing.
It does look really good. Hang on, I'm measuring.
And I'm thinking that some mix it with a little spirits.
Does it go right in the pitcher, Trace?
It might be really good.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
As well.
Polly, you want to start?
I'm in charge of the lemons. Okay, here we go. Okay.
And we got to squeeze them into the measuring cup.
I got to cut them.
We got to squeeze a lot of lemons. Okay, three-quarters cup simple syrup. 1 cup. You're going to work on the cup of fresh lemon juice. Yes, you need an entire cup. Good luck.
Oh,
1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. All right, I'll do that.
Okay.
While you're doing that, keep squeezing, baby.
You're drinking this, by the way. I'm not even going to try.
1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Okay, and it actually tells you in here.
We got a couple of seeds in here.
That's okay. That's what adds to the fun.
We're used to that, right? That's all right. Okay.
Can we put this right in there, Trace? Right in there. Okay.
One lemon down. I can't believe I'm cutting on the actual induction stove. That's probably a problem.
No, don't worry about that. Bernie's will be here to fix it. They went out of business about 8 years ago, but that's okay. Now, our producer keeps telling me to roll out the lemons.
That makes them squishier.
Supposed to make them squishier. So we'll see here. All right,
squeeze better. That's what she says. Okay, that sounds better than squishier.
Oh, God, Polly, you're just all over the place.
I think I just shot myself in the eye with a little lemon juice. Okay, well, I can't see anyway, so it's all good. All right, so, wow, are y'all sure it's a cup of this? This is supposed to make a cup?
Just keep squeezing.
Okay, all right. We got this. Who knew I was going to do such manual labor here today on Channel 3? All right, it's awesome. Better Connecticut.
Keep going.
We love it.
At least our hands are going to smell good.
Okay, right.
All right. This is the sharpest knife on the face of the earth. I just wanted to let you know. I'm surprised I haven't been in the hospital yet.
Okay, I know I'm about to.
Okay.
All right, well, Mama's done, man. I don't know what to tell y'all.
Polly, take that.
Okay.
We're pouring 1 liter of Club Chilled club soda into.
You know they did that on purpose back there.
You so do know that they did that on purpose.
Oh, I love them. That's perfect. Okay.
Oh my God, we have a cup. We have exactly 1 cup.
Into the pitcher. Okay. Oh, thank goodness for Tracy.
Okay.
The whole thing?
Yep.
The whole thing. Okay.
Cook.
All right, here we go. La la la.
And then we're going to add our lemon.
Okay. Oh, this just looks so yummy.
And we'll stir it a little bit.
I cannot wait to. Thank you.
Yeah, your dress looks really good.
Okay, here. This is. Oh, wait, there's ice. Do you want it? All right, yeah. Too bad, so sad. Okay, there. Okay, let's go.
All right, bottoms up.
We just need some Tito's. It's all good. Ooh.
Oh, it really is good.
That is good.
That is delicious.
Wow.
All right, well, if you'd like more information from drinks to food, head to Midwest Living magazine. The recipe is right in there. We're going to have it on our website as well.